Peace, family. Welcome back, Visionaries. Coming to you this time with another Merch by Amazon update. And I wanted to tell you guys about my local merch experience. If you've heard of local merch before, you're probably familiar with some of the interviews or videos by Mike Wall. And so it intrigued me how he was able to think of a business model versus the usual, one-off T-shirt sales based on your own designs and take it to local merch. So some folks, do it a bit differently than Mike does. Some, reach out to non-for-profit organizations, local bands, things of that nature versus, brick and mortar businesses. My approach was similar to Mike's. However, the profit sharing or revenue royalty sharing structure that I have is a bit different. So from my initial prospecting for clients, probably, so as you guys know, I started on merch in February of 2018. I started reaching out and doing local merch about May or so of 2018. And so that was probably like a 30-40 day process. I was kind of like, let me see what I can do to drum up some clients and see if I would be able to convert or just stick with my usual Merch by Amazon one-off sales instead. So went out there, prospected in my local neighborhood, picked up about two or three clients in the month and a half that I was prospecting. Ran a couple campaigns and they were great, getting some sales, and that was great to supplement my sales during the summer months. So the sales came in about June or July. So you'll see, if you look back at my initial Merch by Amazon video, how some of the sales helped to ramp up. And at that time, tier ups, Amazon was pretty much giving out tier ups. So I was at tier 500 before I probably had 200 sales or whatever. So the local merch definitely helped to ramp that up. And so the process that I used to convert my clients into clients for this was to tell them about the platform, the opportunity for them to, kind of promote their business through merchandising and spreading their brand locally. And for them to, similar to Mike's approach, to have them, run promotions within their business for promoting those that wear the t-shirts, that they would get some type of promotion or perk based on that. So just positioning the merch opportunity as something that would help to supplement their advertising, their communications ads already. And so I do not share, so I didn't ask for money up front for it. So it was kind of like a free service for them, but I don't share the royalties back with them. I kept, the royalties. So essentially their shirts were priced at $13.99 or $14.99. And so the $1 or $2 from that's essentially my fee for helping post their shirt and then, running the campaign for them. So that was the difference. Mike charges a fee, a setup charge fee, and then he splits royalties, or he said for some clients, he gives them more than the 50-50 split. But for me, I don't want to get into doing the contract, drawing up the contract, and then having to commit to somehow, sending them a payment each month for the royalties that come in from the shirt. So I don't charge anything up front, but the $1 or $2 royalties that come from that is what I ultimately charge as the fee for managing the campaign. So that's how mine works. You guys let me know if you've tried or you ventured into local merch, but it is a lot of work, a lot of prospecting. Initially you do take a look at, the local classifieds and val pack coupon packs and all that kind of stuff to find what clients may be open to this. But then it's a lot of footwork, in-person meetings, things of that nature to continue to the conversation with prospective clients and then getting the clients from there. So once the weather changes again and it's more of t-shirt weather, because that was the other challenge too. Here we have seasons. I think Mike is in California, so I don't think they have too much of a issue with wearing t-shirts year round. But if you're in the middle of winter, December, when there's inches of snow on the ground, asking people, oh, purchase this shirt and you'll get a free fry the next time, or 20%, 25% off your next order and things of that nature. I don't know how motivated I would be to buy a t-shirt. I'll say wait till the summer till it's sometime where I could wear the shirt. So I kind of held off on garnering new clients, prospecting for new clients during the winter. But once the spring has sprung, I will start that back up again. But overall, I think if you're definitely good at sales, marketing, and you like to get out there, just like talking to people, getting out in your community, talking to business owners, talking to groups, teams, whatever makes sense, hobbies, organizations that you're a part of already, it only makes sense to be a resource for them to have print-on-demand shirts. And whether they have the promotional aspect connected to it or not, why not utilize you as a resource, because you're already on the platform and everybody knows Amazon, and it would be easy for their orders to be facilitated through there than some maybe local printer or other resource that would require setup fees and minimums and all of that kind of stuff. So that's kind of the the focus that I had when I was talking, and key talking points for my customers. So I definitely want to continue along that vein, because again, it's great to get multiple sales in a regular stream of sales outside of your unique design. So just let me know what you think about that. Have you thought about venturing into it? Have you had local merch success? Just share that with others on the planet. And if you are not currently subscribed, I'm gonna keep pulling this subscribe pillow out, guys. If you're not subscribed, please do subscribe. And I look forward to bringing you some more content. And as you can see, I post new vids every week. It's averaging about 3 videos a week. But I also want you to tell me what you want me to do next, because some people have said when I was doing some of the other videos, like the Printful versus Printify, or Redbubble versus Teespring, do something exciting. So what would you think is exciting? Do comment below and share with others who may not know of the planet yet. And I welcome you back soon for more content on Absolute Venus, Planet Venus. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, be well and peace, family.